Hey guys, today I want to show you a quick video of what an ignition CDI looks like when it's smoked and burned up. I traced a no spark issue on this 99 Kawasaki Ultra 150 down to a main E-box that had water in it, which caused the CDI to melt down. This ski previously had a problem with the midshaft bearing seal assembly failing last year, and it had taken on a lot of water. That repair was completed last year, and it didn't have a problem up until now. Hope you guys can appreciate that I was able to recreate what happened when the CDI smoked and melted down here. I was able to turn the orange key switch on to get it to smoke, and if I turned it off, it would stop smoking. I replaced the complete Coil CDI box with a known good one and got it back to running good. Hope you guys find this video interesting and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.